time it is. It's time for another Vegan Cuts unboxing. So my Vegan Cuts box actually got here on time, but my Petite Four did not. It got here like today or like yesterday. I'm recording this on the 1st. So I was waiting till I got both of them so I could sit down and do it because I've been so busy with work. But we're going to do this. You guys know how we do it. We're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we're going to unbox this month's box, and then we're going to talk pricing. So, last month's box. First of all, you know I do not like eye cream. I don't care for it. I don't see the point in it. It doesn't really do much for me, in my opinion. But they had the Pacifica eye cream. I thought it was fine. I used it. It didn't give me any negative side effects. I didn't notice any positive things, so it was fine. Would I purchase it again? No. The Ahava Mineral Body Lotion. So I used a lot of body lotion. This one didn't wow me. I really liked the Ahava hand cream that I got last time. I don't know if it was this box or Petite Four, but I really liked the hand cream. This was fine. I probably wouldn't repurchase it again though, because when I do body lotion, like this was very standard for a body lotion, but I like my body lotion to smell really, really good. This was fine. The Central Zone Salve. It was really good. It did hydrate my skin, but it was greasy. So keep that in mind. Would I purchase it again? Probably not, because I've tried other things that are cheaper that are just as effective and not as greasy. The perfume, the Palo Santo from it was like Wicked Good. I loved that. That was a winner. I will be buying that again. I keep that in my purse. I use it occasionally when I remember it's there. I do really like it. I like the roll-on. I think it's really nice. And the smell was nice. So I approve. I will buy it again. The Mermaid Milk Moisturizer. It was okay. It was a little light for me. Like when I'm using a facial moisturizer, I like to feel moisturized, and it was really light, like too light. I feel like I would have to use a whole bunch to get the desired effect, and at that price, no, I would not be buying it again. So that does it for last month's box. Let's take it down and unbox this month's box. Open the door to vegan. Oh my gosh, this box has seen some stuff, okay? Ugh. Sorry, I've lost 4 nails today, so. This box supports the Blaine Spot Animal Sanctuary. I think that was last month, too. Happy Snacks, Animal Cookies. Wait, is this a snack box? What? They put a snack thing in my beauty box. That's okay, we'll just ignore that. But, so here we go. Let's see what we got going on. First, I'm going to get this because this lady looks real happy to be using whatever this thing is. Oh. It is Vibificant Hydroglow Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. Okay, so it's makeup removing wipes. You guys know how I feel about those. It's kind of useless for me at this point because I like to use reusable washable pads. And gently wipe away without harsh rubbing. There's the ingredients, if you're curious. They are biodegradable, which is cool. I like that. All right, moving on. Now I gotta get this out, because now this is calling my name. Oh, it's a mask. You guys know I love my masks. So this is from Sue. Is that what it is? It is a white tea mask. Interesting. So there is all that, if you're curious. I do love a good mask. I like sheet masks. I like pretty much every mask. So that's cool. We got more of this. This way for your glowing face. Now I've tried this before. I don't remember if it was in one of the boxes from this year or not, but it's an SPF moisturizer made for your face. So there's the ingredients. I am made of 98.33% natural ingredients plus hyaluronic acid. Okay, I mean, I'm curious. I will give it a try. I think I've tried this before though. It looks so familiar. And then we have some kind of spray here. Rose water and witch hazel purifying toner from heliotrope. I really liked that toner I got from Vegan, and I think it was a rose water. So I will give this a try, and it's a spray bottle, which I like because most toners are just in like a little dump into your hand situation, which is fine, but like I like it. Oh wait, let me look at the ingredients. I like it because I have to put it on my face, so this is much more convenient. I can just spray it and go. Now I do add moisturizer after my toner too. All right, last but not least, Cocoa Botanics Hazelnut and Cacao Vegan Lip Balm. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. And your girl's been using some lip balm, okay? My lips are so dry and cracked. You can tell that the seasons are changing. It happens every time. But organic cacao butter, shea butter, kapauku butter, I don't know what that is. Olive oil, jojoba oil. I'm excited. I'm excited to give this a try. This is the most exciting thing I've taken out of this box. All right, guys, so I have crunched the numbers and I've done the research so that you know the value of this box. So the wipes were the most difficult thing because there is nothing for these trial packs. This little thing has all of this information in it in case you guys are curious. In case you're curious, sorry, I got the hiccups. It's wine o'clock right now, okay? But it has 4 of these wipes in it, and I could only find a 25 pack, and it's like $25. So, you know, that kind of makes it like $1 a piece. That's steep. That is steep and wasteful, honestly. Like I said, just get the reusable wipes, guys. But I will try them. I will try them for you because I don't want to be that guy, but you know, it's I don't know. I'm gonna be generous and say $5 for the wipes. The mask, $3 from Sue. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Sue, which is fine for a mask, a one-time use mask. This little guy, this little thing is $30, guys, for this small little thing. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is expensive. Now I'm curious, and I'm going to open it because you guys know it's tinted. Ooh, maybe that's why. A tinted moisturizer. I've only used a couple of those in my life, so I'm curious to see how that goes. All right, then we have, oh wait, yeah, the toner. The toner. This guy right here is $13. I have to smell it, you guys. Oh, that smells nice. The rose water and the witch hazel together are a really nice combo. And then the lip balm, this little guy right here is $8. Wow, that's crazy. And I'm gonna open this up too because why not? And it is like a push, so it's like a very like eco-friendly packaging. It smells nice. I'm gonna try it. Sorry, I can't help it. I just put on some, ooh, that's nice. I just put on some peppermint lip balm earlier. But that is lovely. And I don't think you're supposed to eat it, but I just tasted it and it tastes so freaking good. That's dangerous. Okay. No, it tastes really good. Natural vanilla and hazelnut flavor. I bet that's why it tastes good. Anyway, I digress. If I'm generous with the wipes and say they're $5 and everything else, this box has a value of $59, which is not bad. I am very curious about these products except for the wipes. I'm sure that I'll like the mask. The other things are kind of like, I don't know, we'll wait and see. I think I like the lip balm, but we'll see how well it does hold up. But that does it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Thanks. Bye.